Okay, Kyle, one thing I wanted to show you about the gas detectors, that switch you were talking about is just non-operable anymore. Anyways, when you look deeply in there, you can see that you just can't turn that thing on and off anymore. So what I had to do was to bypass the switch by just this yellow line goes to the solenoid that turns on the valve at the low propane gas. So you just stick it in to 12 volts like that, and that will turn on the solenoid. So what we did is purchased one of these little carbon monoxide alarms. They're battery operated, because I just don't think you can get another one of these low propane gas detector. And in fact, you probably don't even need a carbon monoxide alarm if you're not going to use that heater, which I think it's better to use electric heater anyways, because otherwise, low propane gas that's not used is not dangerous. It's just unspent gas that's dangerous. So you're not going to get any problem from the stove or the hot water heater or anything like that. So what I'm proposing to do here is screw that back on and put a switch here externally, just a toggle switch on and off, so that you can toggle the gas on and off, if you even want to do that at all. Somehow you do have to have. You can always turn the valve off on the low propane gas outside, but unless this is connected to 12 volts, the solenoid cutoff switch at the tank is going to be off. So you really do need some sort of switch here to turn it on when you need the gas and off when you don't. So let me know what you want to do on that, and I will install a switch here if you want. But unless you think you can get one of these things, which I just have a feeling you're never going to find one of those. It would be. I thought maybe you could take off the back of this and just replace the switch internally. Go to Radio Shack and get a new switch. But this is all molded together, and there's just no way to separate it and replace the switch on the circuit board in here. So just easier to put an external switch. All right.